Their facial features are
Right.
is very similar.
Damn, look at that wolf. Oh, wait, no, that's just a fucking...
It's a Malamute.
Yeah.
It's a Malamute.
And then here's a little shaggy ass...
Little shaggy ass Nimrod.
Yeah. Of course, there's Dick Brando, folks, out there in live Memorex.
Fuck Barack Obama.
Yeah, fuck Barack Obama.
Fuck Jim Carrey.
Yeah, fuck Jim Carrey, too. He's a piece of shit.
Just imagine him reading all my emails and going, well, alrighty then.
Right?
Alrighty then.
As you can see, we're out in the middle of nowhere with the dogs. No houses, no nothing. Pure jungle. There's old Twitty's bitch ass. There's old Mystic's bitch ass.
Crazy.
As you can see, we are in the wild. There is just all kinds of, I mean, you can see behind me, there ain't nothing. Nothing at all, you know.
Yeah, mateys, we're coming to you deep from the outback of Australia.
Yeah, we're in the deep outback, motherfucker.
We are miles into the croc hunter's dirt now.
Crocky! You see that? That's a Barack Obama. Good Mystic.
Good sign. Where? Okay. A good sign. A good sign that the big Malamute has dropped Barack Obama. That is what we call a Barack Obama.
I think she's about to let out a Biden, too. Yep.
The mating habits of the tarantula.
Right?
And we're back on the run.
I think Mystic's got the runs, not.
Twitty Bird, the cops are after you.
Right? I thought she was going to do another Biden. I think them pills are helping her out, though. She's shitting better.
Yeah, and this is Mystic.
She gets
This
the.
is a beautiful.
Don't worry, y'all. She gets doggy suppositories every night by her cat.
Many times on the Duke Brando channel on YouTube.
She ain't nothing but a fat bitch.
Come on, Twit.
Actually, no, she's a worthless bitch.
Actually,
Very much.
erase that because that motherfucker is
Priceless.
Too long. This thing has 23 hours and 59 minutes of film, whereas if I'd used it in the quality that I was using it in, I have an hour and 23 minutes worth.
Oh. And there's
That's what I'm
that
talking
fat, worthless bitch.
Yeah,
Worthless. And there's that little skinny, worthless bitch.
yeah. Twitty Bird. Twitty Bird.
It'd be funny if them kids thought we were talking about it. Mommy, you called me a bitch.
Twitty Bird.
Well, sucks to be you, Junior.
Twitty Bird. You trying to get closer to Mystic is what you're trying to do?
Every step you take.
Every move you make, I'll be watching. See how quickly that can be turned into
Right, a stalking song. Midnight, and the old opera house was deserted, except for one man, a phantom, and his dog.